All right, y'all, today I'm working on a Impala, it's a '06, switching out the wheel bearings. Here is the hub assembly where the wheel bearing's inside of. This is what turns. A wheel bearing goes bad, you can hear it when you're driving, especially like if you're going at a low rate of speed, it's a low hum, and if you going at a high rate of speed, the hum gets louder. That's one good way you can tell that the wheel bearing is bad, because it's actually in rotation, as you can see. Like the faster it goes, the louder it get. Another way you can tell too, look at this axle shaft, the discoloration in it. You may not be able to see it, but you can tell it's been heated up. It's been super hot. Also the inside of this hub assembly, same way. That's another way you can tell that the bearing is going bad, because it's creating that heat and that friction. Listen real close and you can hear it as I turn it. See, I'm turning it from the front side with my hand. It's a little different sound when there's no pressure on it. Like when the wheel is on and you're going down the road, it's a little different sound, but you're not supposed to hear anything when you turn that wheel bearing. That's one way you can tell the wheel bearing is bad. But get this thing swapped out and get her back on the road. Peace.